Let's look at another tool. So this is Veronica Viewpoint by level. So I will select this one, select our Revit model that I wanna work with. So in this case, I will select the first one. The units would be meters and no offset. Let's do a no offset. So I click apply and I get all these views. All right, let's see. All right, getting that one, getting that one. It's pretty good because you can see different levels, so all the levels. All right, maybe you will want an actual file that has only the levels that you want to partition. So this looks pretty good. Overall, is wonderful, right? I like it. I think it's really useful and I may start using it.